Hello, I saw your question on discussion board. You got the normal curve here, and you want to find area from this is 0 to negative 2.35. I know it's a little hard to read there. I had some trouble there. So it's from negative 2.535 to 0. So you want to find that area. And so I just use StatCrunch here, and if you click on Stat, and then calculator, and you choose the normal calculator. It's nice visual, and this is a between, so you got standard in between. So I clicked on the between button, and since it's C-scores, you'll leave this at 0 and 1. Then you just put in the two values, the 0 and the negative 2.35. You hit compute, and it gives you the answer several digits. You just want to round it to the nearest four places, so it's 0.4906. So I'm using StatCrunch. You can use the table or the calculator. There's three ways to do it. StatCrunch is just a nice visual way. Hope this helps.